Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tommy Zamp and I play guitar in Get the Lead Out. We are a Led Zeppelin tribute and we tour all over the country and I play Led Zeppelin songs for a living. And today I wanted to talk about, in my opinion, probably one of the most melodic guitar solos that Jimmy Page ever laid down. It's short, it's not incredibly difficult by any stretch of the imagination, and I thought I would show you my approach and how I go about replicating that on a nightly basis. So thanks so much for checking it out. Hit that like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, this song is probably one of the most melodic guitar solos that I think, in my opinion, that Jimmy Page laid down. He's got a lot of great shredding songs, guitar solos like Heartbreaker comes to mind. Stairway to Heaven is very melodic in its own right. But this tune in particular, it's short, sweet, to the point, and I wanted to show it to you. I just thought it would be a fun video to make, so I hope you dig it. So let's get into it. It's broken up into, let's say, 6 parts, okay? So right now what we're going to do is we're going to take, actually, let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm playing my SG, all right? I know we didn't play an SG on this song on the record. It'll be okay. We're going to listen to it this way today. So I got my SG here going through my Badcat Cub 440R into my aux box, and I've got it going into a 4x12 cabinet, and I brought the room mics up a little bit so you can hear a little bit of the actual slapback. You can hear the room. Kind of gives it more of that record vibe, okay? So let's break this into parts. So I'm going to play the whole first part, and then I'm going to go over it. That's what we're going to start with. That's it. So the first things first, you're going to take that 7th fret on the G string and you're going to pre-bend it up, and when you bring it down, your index finger is going to be ready to go on that C note on the G string. So check it out. This is the first note. That's the first move. Alright? Second move, you're already in position. Your middle finger is right here on the B string, 6th fret. Bend it up. That's it. Next move, you're going to bring it back down and just play the F note. And then now you're going to play the E note on the 5th fret B string. And you're going to walk down. I use my ring finger, 7th fret on the G string and 7th fret on the D string. So that whole first part. Alright, check it out. We'll do it one more time. You ready? Right? Not too bad. The next, we're moving up to this position. We're going to play your 9th fret with your middle finger on the G string. Right? And this is that next part. That's part 2, right? So, G string, 9th fret. You're going to play your B string on the 10th fret. And bend it up. Then you're going to play your index finger on the 7th fret. So check it out. That's the move. One more time. Right? And then from there you're going to go back to your 10th fret to your 8th. Just that move. E string, 10th fret, and you're going to bend it up a whole step. Give it a little vibrato. So the whole thing together. Okay? Try not to get the other string bends in there too. Alright? So let's combine both of those parts now. I had some other strings ringing out. Let me do that again. Alright, so part 3. From that stopping point, you're going to go. Alright, so you're basically just rocking back and forth between the 8th and 10th fret here on the high E string. So you're going to take the 10th fret and go. One more time. All right, you got that? So it starts on the 10th fret. You're going to bend it up. Back down to right on it. 8. Bend it back up on the 10th fret. Back down to 10. 8. And then you're going to go to your B string 8th fret and bend that up a whole step. But you're going to do it slowly. Kind of give it some vibe, you know? So that part goes. One more time. All right, so check it out. We're going to do part 1, part 2, and part 3. You ready? Here we go. From there, that's part 4. All right, so coming out of that, that's part 4. So what we're doing here, that was 1, 2, 3, now we're on part 4, okay? So part 4, you're going to start on the 8th fret B string, you're going to kind of give it a little bit of a bend and back it down to the 5th fret B string. Just like that. Alright, and now we're going to go 7th fret on the G string to the 5th fret. There's a little bend there. So check it out. Okay, one more time. So we've got 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. And it ends on that C note. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do now, right? We're going to do part 1, 2, 3, and 4 all together. So here you go. That's it. That's all those parts all together. From there, part 5, you're going. This is a little drawn out, kind of pull down, bend up, bring it back. Goes like this. Okay, so you're still on the D note on the G string, 7th fret. A little pre-bend on that, and you're bringing it down slowly, gradually, like kind of make it cry. And you're going back to between the A and the C note, or the C and the A note, I should say. Right? 5th fret, 7th fret. Really try and draw that emotion out on that note. That's important too, you know? Just try and get as pagey as possible. Alright? So that, if I get my count correct, that's part 5. Alright, so since that was so short, I'm not going to play the whole thing. We're going to combine 5 and 6 because part 6 is pretty short too. Kind of similar to how you did that same lick earlier, right? And he ends it. Alright? So, let's go over part 6. Your 9th fret, ring finger. Right? Very similar, if not exact. I don't know. Then we're on the A note, B string, 10th fret. Bend that up. To your G. Alright? So, let's combine all of these parts. You know, I'm going to do that one more time just to clarify. Part 5 and part 6. Just those parts together. And you hold that bend, you know? One more time. We're here to learn, right? Here we go. Okay guys, so what I'm going to have playing right now is the backing track without the guitar solo, so you can play along to it. And here you go. Alright, not bad. So let's break it down. I'm going to say the parts while you're playing it. You ready? Here we go. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. Part 4. 5. 6. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play it along and say what parts we're playing. So part 1. Part 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. So that's something I would definitely recommend when you're working out anything in particular. Like, it doesn't have to be a Zeppelin tune. It could be any song that you're trying to work out. Try and break it out into parts. And once you have all those parts together, then you can bring in part 1 and part 2, and then bring in part 1, part 2, part 3. And you're doubling up on your practice on the previous parts. Does that make sense? So it's just a little technique to practice. If it works out for you, great. If you have another method of doing it, that's awesome too. So that's going to wrap it up for this video today, guys. Thanks so much. I hope you have taken something away from this, whether it's working out guitar solos and parts or working out however you learn things. I hope this benefited you in some way, shape, or form, because that's the goal here. That's the goal with YouTube, and that's why you're watching. You wanted to check something out, and if I did help you out, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any ideas on things that you would recommend me talking about, let me know in those comments as well. So I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day. Play, woodshed, play those notes, break things out into parts. Don't overthink things. Just play. That's the beauty of playing guitar. Just play. Have a good time. Have a good time all the time, right, Spicoli? All right. Guys, hit that like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm going for a new goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and every little bit helps, and you guys have been fantastic. That last video I put out, 5 easy Zeppelin riffs, got a great response from that, so thank you all very much for checking that out, and let me know. I've got a lot of great ideas. A lot of you guys have asked about Kashmir, Over the Hills, the Ocean, all those riffs, so I'm going to talk about some of those and some coming up, some future videos that I'll probably be shooting today as well. But other than that, as usual, guys, be good to each other, be good to yourself, and I hope to see you all in the next video.